We're doing a repairability test for Matthew Taylor on Sun Creek Court. In order to remove this shingle, we have to take the nails out of this row of shingles and this row of shingles. In doing so, that means we would also have to unseal them. So to simulate this repair, I will be unsealing this row, and we will lift it 45 degrees perpendicular flat to the roofing surface to simulate the repair. We hold that. One, two, three. As you can see, we are getting heavy granule loss all throughout the top row here, making this a BT test fail.